Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're going to discuss some family law meaning in Texas, like key facts and practical insights. Family law in Texas governs legal matters related to marriage, divorce, child custody, child support, and other family relationships. So it's designed to protect the rights and responsibilities of individuals within a family unit, while also ensuring that legal proceedings prioritize the best interests of the children and fairness between spouses or co-parents. Understanding key aspects of Texas family law can help individuals navigate legal challenges more effectively. One of the most common issues in Texas family law is divorce, which can be either contested or uncontested. Texas is a community property state. It means that marital assets and debts are typically divided equally unless the judge determines that an unequal division is justified. Spousal maintenance or alimony is not automatic and is only awarded under specific circumstances, such as when one spouse lacks sufficient resources post-divorce. Child custody, referred to as conservatorship in Texas, is another critical aspect of family law. The court generally favors joint managing conservatorship, meaning both parents will share decision-making responsibilities. However, one parent may be granted the exclusive right to determine the child's primary residence, for example. Child support is calculated based on the non-custodial parent's income and must comply with state guidelines, and it ensures the child's financial needs are going to be met. Modification and enforcement of family law orders are another essential topic. Life circumstances change, right? And Texas law allows for the modification of custody, child support, or spousal maintenance if there's a significant change in circumstances. Additionally, court orders must be followed, and enforcement actions may be necessary when a party fails to comply with their legal obligations and enforcement is brought. So whether you're dealing with a divorce, a custody dispute, or support issues, having a strong understanding of Texas law, Texas family law especially, can help you make informed decisions. If you need legal assistance, consulting with a knowledgeable family law attorney can provide the guidance and representation necessary to protect your rights and achieve the best possible outcome for you. So we'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.